Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. Guys, it's been like 3 weeks and I still barely have a voice. But slowly it's coming back. This cold really has taken a beating on me. It comes and goes. Anyway, with Love from Tame Wild is December's box. So we'll do the unboxing for that. I'm still waiting for my witch casket. Apparently it's lost right now, so hopefully it'll find its way to me, because that's my favorite. So this is from Tamed Wild for December. These boxes are hard to open. Okay. Ooh, pretty. So our theme is, this is December Ritual. Okay, say that for last. Don't want to give out any spoilers. All right, so the first thing is this cute Tame Wild cloth bag. Ooh, we have this suede kind of, I guess you would call it ribbon. Oh, you can make your own pendulum. This is really cool. Selenite. Guess you put a little hook on here and then you can do it. But it's selenite and it's like, that's a cute shape. And I guess you can necklace maybe, or a pendulum. I'm not sure. But you definitely need something to hook this through. This is too big. All right. We'll find out what that exactly is for. And then we have a cute little jar here. With mini pine cones. That's cute. Cute mini pine cones. And then we have, 2 gold chimes. Two gold chime candles. And we have Wheel of the Year, an introduction to the Sabbaths. Very pretty book. Introduction to the Sabbaths. Oh, that's probably what it is. Make your own pendulum. It's a pretty decent sized book. So we got that, and I think the last item usually is a cloth. Okay. So yeah, the last item is this pretty purple cloth with the Wheel of the Year on it. Love this purple. Very pretty. Especially with the gold accents. Triple moon. This is really pretty, guys. Wait till you see. I'm trying to open this baby. It's black on one side. And then pretty purple on this side. It's very, very beautiful. Very nice. So, that is the box for December. So, let's just go over the items, the magical items. The selenite pendant. High vibrational support. Protective stone. It's best placed in the center of your home. We're using a grid. So they're actually saying it's a pendant. So we're going to have to get a, to make it a pendant, I'd have to get a little circle here. Circle. I don't know what they call it, but it's a little silver clamp. Then the beautiful Wheel of the Year booklet. And the beautiful altar cloth. And what else? Gold. Or, I guess, silver chimes. Set of 2. Gold chimes are worked with the candle magic to symbolize the sun, commonly burned to achieve creativity and inspiration. They recommend the use for rituals with the intent to gain success, good fortune, and protection. Protection when you create your own associations of magic. The meditate gold symbolizes for you in your practice. And then if you got this silver, yeah, mine are both gold. I was wondering if they were silver, but no. Okay. Altar jar with tiny pine cones, which is cute. A symbol of fertility, regeneration, and of course the elements of earth. And they always include a ritual with the items they have in the box. So you get this ritual here if you want to use it. 2 sides. I'll leave you information about Tamed in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed, blessed new year.